It's been about 7 months since I made a video like this. I can definitely understand your doubts, okay? If you're doubtful if the Hellcord's gonna ever be swapped, you're still wrong, okay? That's why I'm here to make this video, to tell you that you're still wrong, but I understand why you think that way. So, you know, I have some explaining to do. It has been 7 months, so let me just pull up a C and just really lay it all out, you know? What's been going on with the Hellcord? Where have I been? How come I haven't been uploading? When are we gonna see the V8 JC Motor? That's what we really wanna know. When is the V8? Of course, I can't give you an exact time and date of when the Hellcord's gonna be swapped, but I will tell you that every single day I'm still working towards that happening. I already have a shop on standby, ready to do the swap. Like, all I need is about $30,000. Now, not for the Hellcat swap, it's gonna be an LS3 swap at first, but a little bit later on, might throw on the Hellcat supercharger and then boom, a better Hellcat engine. It's still gonna be rear-wheel drive with a 6-speed. It's gonna be absolutely bonkers. And trust me, the content I'm gonna make with the V8 swap, it's gonna be way better than anything you have ever seen from me ever. Another important thing I need to talk about in this video is about my disappearance for like the past year or so. If you look at my channel and just like scroll through it, very quickly you're gonna see some videos from like 5 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago. Like, I've been posting pretty much like once a month for the most part, sometimes a little bit less often, for like over a year, but only on this channel. On my other channel called JC Echo, that's where I've been posting pretty often, pretty much every day, kind of like how I've been on this channel in the past. I want to get back to posting very often on this channel and on that channel and on my other channel, JC Echo RP, where I make GTA RP videos and pretty much only GTA RP videos until GTA 6 drops. They're pretty funny, and so is my other gaming videos when I play like the racing sim game BeamNG Drive. The reason why I've been focusing on that channel over this one is for the sake of the Hellcord. I want to swap it as soon as possible, and it's very expensive. My creative potential with the content and earning potential in terms of revenue with the content was way less when I'm in this case where I built an audience based off of strolling with the Hellcord, saying it has a V8 engine, all this stuff. Like, the only way you can really pivot from that and actually, you know, make some real content and move forward is to actually build the car. No more troll, make it a reality. And of course, that's what I'm gonna do, but I don't have a job. I don't have a normal 9 to 5. Like, of course I used to for like multiple years. Like, don't you worry, I spent my time being a wagey, but nowadays I'm a full-time content creator, so I had to pivot my content. With a car channel right now where I'm at, there's not much I can do without spending a lot of money, so I did that. Kind of. I'm financing a new car. I haven't spent a lot of money yet. I bought the most hated AMG. That's gonna be the title of the video that I'm gonna drop probably by the time you're watching this. I might have already dropped it, so just go on my channel and see if it's up. It's a C43, a 2019 C43 AMG to be specific, and let's just say JC Motor is back. No more disappearance, no more once a month uploads or something crazy like that. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos and a lot different videos than usual. It's gonna be a whole new arc of JC Motor, a whole new era of content. Not only with the Hellcord, because of course I'm still gonna be making Hellcord videos, I'm gonna be making a lot of C43 videos. Of course, not only C43 videos, you will see the Hellcord still, but you're definitely gonna see a lot of the C43 as well. And I'm gonna leak a little bit more info than I probably should, just because I wanna get personal with you, so don't be weird about this info, okay? I made a kind of irresponsible financial decision, and I got a personal loan to use as the down payment to get the car loan to buy the C43. I don't even want to talk specific numbers right now. If you really want to know specific numbers, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make like a whole separate video talking about like the financing side of, you know, my little situation I got going on. But I'm paying an absurd price a month for this car, so I'm definitely going to be motivated to work hard to make creative new content with the C483. I traded my C3 Hushed. When I bought my first C483 about a year ago, I was going to trade my C3 Hushed, but the bank just didn't allow me because I had too much negative equity in the car loan. So I had to keep the C3 Hushed and get the C483 and still have the Hellcord. So 3 cars at once. Of course, the C483 eventually had to go within 6 months. I really missed that car for so long. I loved that car. Now I got another one. Fix my credit and then either get a personal loan or a business loan to swap the Hellcord. And of course, I don't want to like say a specific time span because let's be real, the only one who really knows the future is Allah. Like, only God knows, you know, what's coming next. I don't know exactly, you know, how much money I'm gonna make or when this is all gonna happen, but to throw a random guess out there and to kind of like set a goal for myself, I kind of want to have like the ability to get the loan or at least like pay off all my credit card debt and like fix my credit by the end of this year. As long as I fix my credit by the end of this year or even sooner, give it like a month or 2 after I fix my credit, I could probably get that loan. If I get that loan, LS3 is going in the Hellcord. If I already uploaded a C43 video, it's on screen. If I didn't, here's another video that I definitely think you'll enjoy. So click it and go watch it.